everyone, welcome to Quick Fix with Bindu. Today we are making ultra creamy macaroni with tomato sauce and veggies. So delicious and easy. Let's start by boiling 4 cups of water in a pot. While water is boiling, let's prepare the vegetables. I have taken half of the medium onion here. Chop half of it finely and chop the other half roughly for sautéing. After the onion is done, let's cut our bell peppers. I'm using a small piece of red, yellow and orange bell peppers. After you are done with the veggies, finely chop few cloves of garlic. Now let's check the water. Add 1 tablespoon of salt and 1 teaspoon of oil. Add 2 cups of macaroni. Boil the macaroni until it's just undercooked. Don't make it too soft. We'll finish cooking it in the sauce for that perfect texture. Now strain the pasta and reserve some of the pasta water for later. Add some water to the pasta to prevent sticking and set it aside. Now let's make the white sauce. Heat 1 tablespoon butter and 1 tablespoon of oil in a pan. Add 2 tablespoons of flour and roast on medium flame until it's bubbly and aromatic. I'm taking 1 tablespoon of butter, 1 tablespoon of oil, so you need 2 tablespoons of flour. The ratio of the butter and flour should always remain same to make the perfect consistent sauce. Now gradually pour in 2 cups of milk, whisking constantly to avoid the lumps. These steps needs to be really quick and continuous to prevent lumps. Stir continuously until the sauce thickens. Add Italian seasoning and chili flakes to taste. Check the consistency of the sauce using any spoon. If the sauce does not drop from the spoon, that means it's ready. Keep it aside. Now let's prepare our tomato sauce. In a separate pan, heat 1 teaspoon of olive oil and a little bit of butter. Add your chopped garlic and saute until fragrant. Add finely chopped onions and saute it for a minute. Add the Italian seasoning. Now add your freshly ground tomatoes and cook for a few minutes. I love little spicy, so I have added 1 green chili while I was grinding my tomatoes. Adding green chili is completely optional. You can skip it if you don't like spicy. Add little turmeric powder and salt to taste. Once the sauce thickens and oil starts to separate, we can say it's ready. Add some olive oil in the pan. Lightly saute the onions and bell peppers until slightly soft but still crunchy. Now add the sautéed veggies to the tomato sauce. Now pour in the prepared white sauce. If the sauce feels too thick, add a splash of reserved pasta water to loosen it. Then add the boiled macaroni to the tomato veggie mixture and mix well. Mix everything gently until pasta is well coated and creamy. Now top it up with the cheese. I have used around half cup of cheddar and mozzarella cheese here. If you don't like cheese, you can skip it. It already looks so creamy and delicious. Serve hot and enjoy your creamy macaroni pasta. You can garnish it with chili flakes and cheese if you like. It's rich, flavorful, and so comforting, perfect for any day. Our ultra creamy macaroni with tomato sauce and veggies is ready. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to Quick Fix with Bindu.